15 years of age or older. And I will take you to see one of our Miyabi Suites. As I said, it's the main type in our inventory, as we have 9 in total. And the Miyabi Suites are all on the ground floor, all facing towards the pool. The one that I will show you also has a sea view and a beautiful sunset view from the veranda even, despite it being on the ground floor. Find yourself over here. Good morning. Hi.
Afternoon.
Oh, well, afternoon, indeed.
You never know,
Sorry?
morning or afternoon.
And here we are.
So pool view.
Yes, it is. So it's the pool. But from the bed you can even see Ia. And also from the balcony over here. So while sitting on the balcony, you have a view towards Ia and towards the water, and a pool and resort view, of course.
No, very charming room. How big?
Those ones are on average 34 square meters. All the Miyabi Suites. If you're assuming they're quite beautiful and bright and quite comfortable, especially if someone is struggling with plenty of luggage, there is space to accommodate that, and all of them have a small living area. So it feels more comfortable and it feels more homey. This is what we would like to add to the rooms as a feeling. So you will see in all of our rooms having a more brown, earthy tone palette. So you'll see different shades of beige, of green, of brown, small sitting areas, coffee tables, decorative items, so that the room indeed feels like home. I mean, I know it's kind of a cliche of a line that you're home away from home or feel like home, but we're trying to create this kind of ambiance inside the rooms. If you want to, we can go outside as well.
So easy access to restaurant.
Yes, of course, and also keep in mind that the sun over here, I know that you're familiar with Santorini, but the sun during let's say the off-season months is setting right behind Thirassia, the tip of Thirassia that you can see over here, and as we're moving towards the summer, it sets behind Ia. So I mean, this week has even a sunset view, I mean, throughout the season, even if someone is sitting at the balcony. So no need to rush at the comfort to other places, you know, be somewhat congested or uncomfortable. You can enjoy it from the comfort of your room.
Да,
As despite even if you're on the ground floor, you still have this gorgeous view.
да, и view. Да, very special.
Yeah.